Good morning, friends. This is Mani. Welcome to India Tamilan channel. We are into Tirkural in English. In this second section, around it is about Porutpal. That means about wealth. In that, we are about to see 45th chapter, seeking the aid of great men. That means பெரியாரை துணை கோடல். அறனறிந்து மூத்த அறிவுடையார் கேண்மை திறனறிந்து தேர்ந்து கொளல். After examining the tenets of Dharma, a person should seek the friendship of the elders to get knowledge and behave with them in a manner suitable for them. In this whole chapter, Tiruvallur explains about the friendship of old person which who has educated. Every common man should have some relationship with the big people or educated people so that they can excel in any kind of the aim and their future. That's what he explains. Next one. உற்ற நோய் நீக்கி உறா அமை முற்காக்கும் பெற்றியார் பேணிக் கொளல். That means we should seek the friendship of those elders who can protect you and who can avoid further sorrows. அரியவற்றுள் எல்லாம் அரிதே பெரியாரை பேணி தமரா கொளல். It would be best among all the rare things that we can possess if we make elder friendships by proper service to them. That means we can do some help and get knowledge from them. தம்மிற் பெரியார் தமரா ஒழுகுதல் வன்மையுள் எல்லாம் தலை. To consider those who are elder to you in learning as our lessons and follow them in their path is the greatest among all strength. சூழ்வார் கண்ணாக ஒழுகலான் மன்னவன் சூழ்வாரை சூழ்ந்து கொளல். As a king, he must use his ministers as eyes for managing his kingdom. Let him well examine their characters and qualification before he engages their ministers. தக்கார் இனத்தனாய் தானொழுக வல்லானை செற்றார் செயக்கிடந்ததில். One who is surrounded by learned people and who acts according to their advice, there will be no enemy to harm him. இடிக்கும் துணையாரை ஆழ்வாரை யாரே கெடுக்கும் தகைமை அவர். How can there be enemies who can trouble that ruler who rules with the help of learned people who order them compulsorily? இடிப்பாரை இல்லா ஏமாறா மன்னன் கெடுப்பாரிலுன் ஊனுங் கெடும். The king who is without the god of men who can rebuke him will perish even though there be no one to destroy him. That means every king should have some learned people as their ministers. முதலில்லார்க்கு ஊதியம் இல்லை மதலையான் சார்பிலார்க்கு இல்லை நிலை. Those who do not have capital will not get any income. Like that, those who do not have learned people as assistants, the state of peace is not there for them. பல்லார் பகைக்கொளலிர் பத்தடுத்து தீமைத்தே நல்லார் தொடர்கை விடல். Losing the friendship of one learned elder does cause harms 10 times more than getting enmity of innumerable people. When we say talk about Periyar, that means elder people. As a Tamilan, everyone should remember about Tandai Periyar. He is also called of the Socrates of Southeast Asia. He is one of the most renowned social activist. He struggled against caste system and women empowerment. There are a lot of social reformation he did it. Okay, let me see about him. He actually born at 1980s 87 80 1879 to 1973 period. His actual name is Erode Venkada Perisam Venkada Ramasamy. That means EVR we can call. He initially joined in Indian National Congress at 1919, and due to the domination of Brahmin he resigned in 1925. Before that, if we take this cycle, in 1904 he went to Kashi after marriage. His marriage, he went to Kashi, and one that time he is very much hungered, so he went for that free food, but he is not allowed because he is not a Brahmin. From that moment onwards, he started against of his voice and his struggle to against caste system. Same like Gandhi, how he derailed by the British people. From there, he started no his Ahimsa movement, everything against English people. Like that, Periyar also got insulted by the Brahmin people. So from that moment, he started against caste system. Then he joined Vaikam struggle at 1924 in Kerala. It's a big non-violent agitation because Dalit people not allowed, that Dalit people are Harijan people we can call, not allowed to enter into the Vaikam temple. So he himself he himself involved in the agitation, and then they allowed the Dalit people to enter into the temple. And 1929 to 32 he around traveled overall international countries like Russia, France, German. From that moment he saw every country culture and learned everything, and he wanted to adapt non-caste system in India. Before caste system was he want to eradicate the caste system. That's what he started his movement. At 1939 he joined at Justice Party, but some people know learn that he only started the Justice Party, but it is already started by a year some justice. And 1944 he himself changed that name as a Dravidar Kalagam. In that Anadurai, Karnataka and all they joined first, initially served, then Anadurai got separated and formed Dravida Munnetra Kalagam at 1949. Then we know the stories afterwards. And if you see these main principles, one is rationalism and self-respect and human rights, and final main is eradication of caste. It is his ultimate principles in life. For his social reformation activities, he also known as the prophet of the new age. This tag has been coined by UNESCO, and the Socrates of Southeast Asia and father of social reform movement. But even though he done so many things for women empowerment and Tamil or Dravidian country, like Tamil Nadu is the capital, and Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala all together, it should be called as a Dravidian country. He wanted to separate from India, but there's somehow they denied. Some of our own politicians and Congress not denied when after independence. British people also not allowed to form separate country. Then then we joined into India, and everyone it's a club of India. But he's only one uh, consequences in his life story, that he married at the age of 73 his own assistant. That everyone his own disciples also not willing to not like his activities, but anyway, apart from his personal, is one of the best Tamilan to know about to struggle for the eradication of caste system. Every Tamilan should learn about him, what he done for society, and what is the impact of that till now. It is one of the best social activist as far as I know. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.